Once upon a time, in a forest filled with tall trees, lived a little squirrel named Chestnut. It was an ordinary squirrel who loved collecting nuts and playing with his friends. However, he had one unusual habit. He loved to collect colorful fallen leaves and arrange them in beautiful patterns on his little nest. One crisp autumn day, Chestnut was busy gathering scarlet, golden, and russet leaves when he noticed something strange. The sky above him was painted in the same vibrant colors. At first, he thought it was just a beautiful sunset. But as the days passed, the painted sky remained. Curious and a little worried, Chestnut decided to investigate. He scampered up the tallest tree in the forest, climbed to its highest branch, and peeked into the sky. To his surprise, he saw a huge paintbrush lying on a cloud. It was enormous, almost as big as Chestnut himself. He had never seen anything like it before. Suddenly, a wise old owl hooted from a nearby tree. "What are you doing up there, little squirrel?" Chestnut explained what he'd seen and asked if the owl knew anything about it. The owl pondered for a moment. "I do believe I saw a blue jay take that paintbrush up there. Say, would you like to have a go at painting the sky yourself?" Chestnut had no idea how to paint, let alone paint the sky. But he didn't want to disappoint the owl. So he replied, "Of course. How hard can it be?" The owl chuckled, knowing very well that Chestnut would soon regret his boastful words. "All right then, here's the paint. It's a special magic paint that only birds can use. And here's a feather. Use it as your paintbrush. Now climb aboard my cloud for a closer look." Chestnut carefully took the paint and the feather. He thanked the owl and started climbing onto the cloud. Just then, a gust of wind tousled his fur and blew the paint out of his hands. Chestnut watched in horror as the paint flew away, covering the cloud in a thick layer. The poor squirrel felt like giving up. He had no idea how he could ever clean that mess. Just then, he remembered what the owl had said. Only birds can use this paint. Chestnut looked around and spotted a blue jay flying overhead. Quickly, he waved his tail and shouted, "Hey, blue jay, please help me clean this cloud. I've made such a mess." The blue jay swooped down and landed on the cloud. He looked at Chestnut and asked, "What happened here?" Chestnut explained how he found the paintbrush and how he accidentally covered the cloud with paint. The blue jay understood. He dipped his beak into a nearby puddle, shook off the excess water, and started cleaning the cloud with his beak. After a few minutes, the cloud was as white and fluffy as before. The blue jay ruffled his feathers and prepared to fly away. Chestnut thanked him and asked, "Where are you going?" "I'm off to paint the sky," he replied. Chestnut realized that the blue jay was the one who had painted the sky in the first place. The blue jay noticed Chestnut's surprised expression and said, "It's my job to paint the sky every autumn. The leaves fall and reveal the bare branches of the trees, and I paint the branches and the sky to hide them till spring." He dipped his beak into the paint and started painting the sky. Chestnut watched in awe as the blue jay effortlessly created beautiful patterns, just like he had seen in his dreams. When the sky was finished, Chestnut thanked the blue jay and hurried back home. He couldn't wait to tell his friends about his amazing adventure. From that day on, Chestnut continued to arrange the fallen leaves into beautiful patterns on his nest. And whenever he looked up at the painted sky, he remembered the little blue jay who made it possible.